Welcome back to your daily English practice. It's great to see you again. Every day you practice, you become more confident. Keep going. Your hard work is paying off. Today you'll practice over 150 everyday English sentences. These are practical sentences you'll actually use. Repeat every sentence with me. Let's begin. I have to water the plants. I may have to take a day off tomorrow. I might have to take a day off tomorrow. I may have to help my father tomorrow. I might have to wait for him. I may have to travel to another city. He might have to take his mother to the doctor. You may have to come earlier. Alex might have to reschedule the meeting. I may not have to go to another city. Michael might not have to work this Sunday. Alex may not have to borrow money from Jack. You might not have to stay late at the office. They might not have to apply for the loan again. I should join a gym. I should lose weight. I should find a job. I should sit up straight. I should respect my elders. I should eat more fruit. I should save money. I should inform the police. I should leave now. I should work hard. I should help others. I should sleep by 10 p.m. I should watch English lessons every day. I should practice every day. I should have good friends. I should have patience. I should have dinner at 7 o'clock. I should be more polite to older people. I should be impressive. I should be ready for difficulties. I should not go alone. I should not trust him. I shouldn't hurt anyone. I shouldn't waste time. I shouldn't eat unhealthy food. I shouldn't buy an expensive phone. I shouldn't make fun of others. I shouldn't eat bread for dinner. I shouldn't be rigid. I shouldn't be late for the party. I shouldn't be sad. You should buy a new car. Alex should throw a party. She should get married now. They should wake up early. The government should reduce taxes. You should turn down the volume. We should eat out today. My friends should understand my problem. His brother should help him. Alex and Emma should study together. The exam should be easy. We should get enough time to study. Our teacher should be patient. We should be funny like our friends. Politicians should be more honest. The tea should have more milk. The country should have responsible citizens. There should be more schools in our city. There should be an easy way to learn English. There should be some money in your wallet. He shouldn't behave like this. We shouldn't eat stale food. Emma shouldn't take too many pills. They shouldn't be late for the party. You shouldn't be cruel to animals. There shouldn't be taxes on poor people. Should I wait here? Should I help him? Shouldn't I stop him? Shouldn't I tell her the truth? Should he study further? Should we plan a party? Should Jack bring his documents? Should she learn French? Shouldn't his father support him? Shouldn't you try again? Shouldn't I invite my friends to my birthday party? Shouldn't I say sorry to her? Shouldn't they think again about their decision? Shouldn't he look after his mother? Should we consult a doctor? Should we see a doctor? Shouldn't you bring him a gift? Shouldn't Alex and Emma practice together? You should buy this course. You must buy this course. You must try the strawberry milkshake from that cafe. You must try the coffee he makes at least once. You must visit the beach at least once. You should definitely buy this course. You should definitely try the new burger at McDonald's. You should definitely meet my friends. You must watch this movie. You must visit this place. You must taste this ice cream. You must try this dress. You must listen to that song. You must meet my friend at least once. You must attend your favorite singer's concert at least once in your life. You must fill out the form in capital letters. You must complete your homework every day. You must not smoke in public places. One must not be greedy. One must use their brain. One must look after their health. It must be very cold there. It must be very hot there. You must be tired. He must be busy. She must be surprised. Emma must be happy to see you. Let me study. Let him work. Let the children play. Let her speak. Let Emma sleep. Let him choose his life partner. Let them face the challenges. Let the dogs bark. Let me clean the room. Let me wash the clothes. Let me help you. Let me show you the way. Let me help you with your work. Let me hold the door for you. Let me show you something nice. Let me see your bruise. Let me make some sandwiches for you. Let me think about it. Let us go. Let's play soccer. Let's enjoy the party. Let's have lunch together. Let's cook something nice today. Let's ask Alex. Let's forget it. Let's start fresh. Let's hope for the best. Let's discuss this offline. Let's talk about this later. Let's not forget their sacrifices. Let's not talk about it. Let's leave it. Let's finish it. Let's decide. Let's party. Let's give him another chance. Let's sit and talk. Let's see what happens next. Let's meet in half an hour. Let's meet at 4 o'clock. Let's not jump to conclusions. Let's wait for his medical report. Let's be patient. Let's be practical. Let's give him some time. Great job. Keep practicing every day.